everybody, it's Uzo again from Uzo's Food Labs and welcome. We're going to be mixing one of my favorite drinks today. There is nothing I love more than a tart yet refreshing cold glass of lemonade, and it's so easy to make lemonade at home, and I'm going to be using some stuff from the garden as well. So let's get to it. So to make this very simple but delicious garden fresh lemonade, you're going to need water, and I've got some chilled water already in here. You can also use sparkling water, which is soda water, which isn't bad at all. Now you need to sweeten your lemonade, and I used to use sugar before, like regular granulated sugar, but sometimes you want to make the lemonade and enjoy it immediately without waiting for the sugar to melt. So I've started using icing sugar to make my lemonade. Freshly squeezed lemons, so you have lemon juice, seeds removed, and then the stuff from the garden. I've got I've got ginger slices. I'm going to add 2 pieces in there. Now ideally, if you're making your lemonade straight, then you can enjoy it immediately, but if you're going to be adding your garden fresh element, it needs to infuse into the lemonade, so you need to leave it in the fridge. I know, delayed gratification sometimes tastes better. So if you're going to be adding all of these elements, then you probably need to wait for it to infuse properly. So I've got here some lemon basil, or you can use scent leaf, just to give it a little bit of a zing. And then I've got my lemongrass, also from the garden. You need to bruise it, which means you take the stalks apart so that you can open up the flavors of the lemongrass. And I've added all of those elements. Then I add my lemon juice. And you can start your day out by making as big a jug of this or a smaller jug, it's all up to you. And then I'm going to add the icing sugar to taste. So you can make it as sweet or not. You can also use honey, but I find that pure natural honey has a flavor on its own, and some people may not like that. So give that a very, very quick stir. You can add pieces of other fruit that you like, but straightforward lemonade, lemon juice, some sweetener, and some things from the garden, and you really can't go wrong. And so give it a good stir. Because I really can't wait, I'm gonna have just lemonade-y flavor, but leave this to infuse in the fridge for at least a couple of hours so that all those garden fresh elements will come through. And then you pour that into a glass. I'm going to use my spoon to stop. No, I'm gonna pour it all. So if you want to add some more color, you can add strawberries, you can add some syrup. You really can do whatever it is that you want. I've got like a bendy straw here, so I'm just gonna taste it. By now, everybody should know that I absolutely love lemon. So having a garden fresh lemonade right up my alley. It's refreshing. You can control the sweetness, which you can't do if you buy store-bought versions. And you can make it as interesting or as simple as you want. So for more healthy recipes, easy recipes, pocket-friendly recipes, and tasty recipes as well, you need to be subscribing to the channel. You need to hit the notifications button so that you get the alerts when new videos come up, because you really don't want to miss any. It's Uzo's Food Labs on YouTube and on social media as well. So until the next time that I come your way again, I consider myself a mixologist. So feel free and let your inner mixologist out. Have a great day.